Model, 2011 Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 120 Multijet long wheelbase, flatbed CREWCAB. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 188,734. Engine, 2287 cc FIAE 0481D, 120 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire, needs injector number 3 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Full code for cylinder-free injector, straightforward simple replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.